Let's chat 3 habits you should be ditching with your contact lenses. Hi, my name is Beck and I'm one of the opticians here at SmartBuyGlasses. It's time to break up with these 3 contact lens habits. Number 1, stop sleeping in your contact lenses. Your contact lens is a piece of plastic which actually goes over the front of your eye. This stops the amount of oxygen that can go through to your eye, which will over time deteriorate your eye health. You want to make sure that you don't sleep in contact lenses so that your eyes are going to be nice and refreshed every morning. Alrighty, number 2, not washing your hands before you touch your contact lenses. Guys, this is not okay. We have so many things that can be found on our hands and we are then putting that contact lens onto our eye. Make sure you have good hand hygiene before you put your contact lenses in. And lastly, number 3, washing your contact lenses with water. You want to make sure that you are using a good contact lens solution as it has different ingredients which are going to help to break up proteins which can build up on your lens and keep your eyes nice and healthy. Make sure you follow along for more great eye tips.